Hey, let me show you how you can use voice controls with your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. So first of all, you will have to be connected with your buds and your device, and also you have to be connected into the Galaxy wearable application. Next, you will have to go into the earbuds settings, open voice controls, and turn them on for your language. Currently, we can only use two languages, English and Korean. Then, you've got here all the controls that you can use for the music, for the volume, and for the phone. To use these voice controls, you can use them for single earbud or for two. Now let me show you how you can, for example, change songs. Next song, previous song, volume up, volume down. There we go. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.